are tracking for you each and every update of what's happening in the phase 3 of the Lok Sabha elections. Right behind me, we are looking at Amit Shah, in fact, going inside and casting his vote. As of now, he has arrived here in Naranpura area and he is going inside along with his family members. In fact, his wife is present there. His son Jai Shah is also present there. Along with him, we are looking at several of the leaders of the Gujarat BJP who are also present there. Just now we saw Amit Shah also interacting with one of the voters as well, who was, in fact, he's also going in. We have, in fact, the voter whose portrait had also been signed by Amit Shah. बताइए अभी अभी आपकी बात हुई अमित शाह से, किस तरह से क्या बात हुई? आप फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर भी हैं?
हाँ, आई एम अ फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर. वो बहुत अच्छे हैं. लाइक वो तुरंत मेरा वोटर देके खड़े हो गए थे. लाइक ही इज वेरी काइंड. बाकी वो जो इतने हाई पोस्ट पे होते हैं वो लोग खड़ी नहीं होते. और सबको बोलती हूँ वोट करो, जरूर करो. आपका एक भी वोट बातल नहीं जाना चाहिए. थैंक यू.
What did he say to you?
He said, do your best and remember this date. It's a very fine date. For me, it's a very proud moment.
And you made this yourself?
Yes, with charcoal.
With charcoal?
Yes.
All right, so you know these are what we're getting is these images of how the portraits of Amit Shah had been signed by him. He had wished her luck as well while going inside. So these are some of the pictures that we really get to see right outside of the polling booths as well. As we saw also the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's portrait as well that he had signed when there was a girl who had made this a portrait of the Prime Minister as well. So these are some of the updates that we are tracking right outside of the polling booths, at least here in the state of Gujarat, in his home state, in the home state of the Prime Minister and Amit Shah as well, which we really get to see of how they are being received, how they are being perceived, how they are being greeted as well in the state of Gujarat, not just as leaders but also as voters. Of course, local leaders also present here. We will, of course, try to get a word from them as and when we move a little away from the booth as well. We saw, in fact, we'll try to make our way towards inside the booth where Amit Shah, in fact, is present here. Along with Jai Shah and the rest of the family of Amit Shah as well, who's present here. They will be casting their vote. And we also saw we can expect him, in fact, to come out of the polling booth and then go for the darshan right next to the polling booth where there is a temple that he usually goes to right after casting their vote. And through the entire day, we will also be tracking the other constituencies which are just as important, like other districts of Rajkot, Porbandar and North Gujarat as well, where Sabarkantha and Banaskantha, where we had seen some kind of a friction as far as the BJP is concerned for the change of candidacy is there as well, that we had gotten to see before the elections. And of course, the kind of controversy that had erupted over Purushottam Rupala and how the entire community, in fact, had not been happy with Purushottam Rupala as the candidate from Rajkot. And that really helps us understand as to how the target of the BJP had been given, because they are in fact stating that they will be getting all of the 25 seats because one of them has already been declared as the winner from Surat, uncontested winner. And what we also understand is how the rest of the issues are also being that were a focal point during the entire elections, during the entire campaigning as well of the BJP. But of course, the fact remains that the target of the BJP this time has been the number of votes, the margin of votes that will be achieved, with which the candidate will be winning. And they are stating that they are going to be winning for sure in all of the 25 seats. But this is about now a question of the margin. Now, in fact, even specifically for Amit Shah, there had been a target which was given to the BJP workers that Amit Shah needs to win with the margin of more than 10 lakh votes. Now, that is the margin, the target that has been given to the BJP cadre and the BJP workers to make sure Amit Shah is the candidate who wins with the highest margin across the entire country. But we also saw, along with Amit Shah, there were other candidates as well for which the BJP cadre has been given a target of the margin once again. We'll stay with the visuals here in this particular voting booth here in Naranpura, where Amit Shah has just now gone inside and he is going to be casting his vote and then coming out. and going for a darshan as well, along with his entire family. Along with Amit Shah, we also saw Jai Shah also present along with him, his entire family who is present with him. And Amit Shah, during the entire course of the elections, we have seen him being extremely candid and someone who has been working on the ground, someone who has risen the ranks of the party by working shoulder to shoulder with the BJP cadre and the workers who are present here. In fact, he has always reminisced and reiterated about the fact that he is a worker who has started his work at the booth here in Narantpura and then has risen the ranks of the party and had become the BJP chief at a point. And that is how he had in fact also been carrying out his campaign. He had been connecting with the cadre. He had been speaking to the cadre like he is one of them, like he's a worker, not as a minister, something that he has reiterated. Once again, these images on your screens of Jai Shah having cast his vote. And of course, we also look at Amit Shah now arriving outside of the polling booth, having cast his vote, all of them showing their inked finger. And even before the day had started, we had looked at Amit Shah having put out that social media post urging the people to come out and vote in large numbers. And now having cast his vote, Amit Shah also waving to the people, also had a candid conversation with a girl who had made a charcoal portrait of Amit Shah. He had signed that portrait, he had autographed that portrait, post which he had gone inside and cast his vote. So these images really help us understand the kind of son of the soil connection that both the Prime Minister and Amit Shah really have with the state of Gujarat, and how the emotional connect that people have is also very much visible. Even when both of the leaders had been going inside to cast their votes, then be it in Ranip, where the Prime Minister had gone inside and where we saw hundreds of people who had gathered there to get a glimpse of the Prime Minister. And as of now, we are looking at Amit Shah, along with his son Jai Shah, also present there, along with several other leaders of the BJP who are also present here. The chants of Jai Shri Ram also very much audible, and the kind of issues that people have spoken about are something that was also spoken about by the Home Minister Amit Shah in several of his rallies. Then be it the issue of the Ram Temple, then be it the issue of nationalism or security, that is something that had been spoken of by the people of Gujarat and by the Home Minister as well. And as of now, we are tracking, of course, the Home Minister Amit Shah along with his son, the family members, the local BJP leaders, all of them in fact going towards the temple where he is going to be